Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can embed a YouTube video on your existing Hugo website. So let's see how we can do this thing. So let's find out on video. So I'm going to show you on video. So here this is on video, like turn your photos and videos into cache. So this is one of the video. I'm going to show it on my website. That means my Hugo website. So at first we need to copy the entire URL, but basically we don't need the entire URL. We only need the video ID. But for easy understanding, I'm going to copy the entire URL here from here. Right click and then I'm going to copy it. And on the Visual Studio Code or VS Code, I'm going to paste it just for my reference. So that's the URL. Now we need to add the shortcode for this YouTube video. In Hugo, basically to create a shortcode, we just need to use two curly braces and inside it one angular bracket, and then here we just need to type YouTube, and then we need to copy this entire ID, only the ID. We don't need the other part. I'm going to copy it, right click and then copy, and I'm going to paste it over here. Right click and paste from here. And that's it. Now we can save it. So here dot means it's not saved, so I'm going to hold Ctrl S key together and it will be saved. Now if we try to go to the localhost, so this is the localhost. I'm running this Hugo site in the locally, and this is the video page. Basically here is the title, you can check. So FewSteps videos. So this is the title page. So this is the page title basically, so or post title. Now if we try to refresh, and then we'll see this post is there. Now just click here and here you will see. So here it is showing that this is the video preview of that video, but this URL is coming because I already left that URL in the like in the VS code. So I'm going to remove it, so it will not be it will be deleted. Now again saved it. I saved it, and then I'm going to refresh this page, and after refresh basically I will see that the video is there. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily insert a video on our existing Hugo website. Thank you guys for watching the video.